That's a wonderful question. What are the signs and symptoms of poor sperm? Unfortunately, there are no signs and symptoms as such which you can look at and then predict that the person would have poor sperm quality. And that's the biggest problem. Anybody amongst us could have a poor sperm quality, and that's only coming out when we actually ask for a semen analysis test. Some of us, quite obviously, may have some very unique problems such as hormonal issues, very high thyroid, very high blood sugar levels, very obese. So these kind of people, yes, we can suspect or we can predict that they could have poor sperm quality. But by and large, anybody who is completely normal and goes for a semen analysis might turn out with a poor sperm parameter. So which is why it's very difficult to predict from looking at a person whether sperm quality is bad. There are certain indicators. You can look at when we do a physical examination, if you find that the testicular sizes are very big or very small, or when the hair distribution in the body is not optimum, it's very less, or there's very obvious signs of fat deposition in the body, we might suspect that that person might end up with poor sperm quality when he goes for a semen analysis. But as such, there are no definite signs or symptoms to be really looked at. One point I would like to mention is many times the men, when they are told that the report is not good and the sperm quality is not so good, they come back and they tell us that, but we don't have any problem in sex. Now please understand, sex is a function of the penis, which is completely different from the testes which makes these sperms. So although they may be located close to each other, the functions for both the penis and the testes are completely different. So you could have a proper sexual life in spite of the fact that your sperm quality is not healthy, or vice versa. You could have bad sperms, good sex life, or good sperms and bad sex life. So that really doesn't affect or it doesn't predict whether you'll have poor sperms or not.